What's going on? This is your man DJ. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DJ the Wealth Investor. Thank you for being here. All right, let's get right into today's topic. Today we're going to be talking about budgets. Free website that is called Mint.com. One of my favorite all-time free budgeting tools that I think anyone can use to get started in investing, as well as creating budgets and understanding your financial situation. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. Alright, so as you can see, this is the Mint.com website where you'll just be able to hit the sign up button, and then from sign up, you'll be able to just put in your email address, phone number, and then a password to get you started. I already have an account set up, so I just go right into mine. This is a dummy account as well. Alright, so here you'll be able to see what accounts you have. First, well, once you have the account, you'll hit add account, and you'll be able to add in your bank information. Many of them should be here, as well as investment accounts. Yeah, but you'll add in your bank or your institution there, and then you just go through all of the prompts, and you'll be good to go. Once that, you'll be able to check out your transactions. And then credit score, if you link that, bills, certain bills that you have to pay on a monthly basis. And then my favorite part of it is budget and goals, as well as trends. All right, so here you'll be able to track your budget and see how much you want to spend, which is good. So for example, let's look at, what's this, fast food. You'll be able to type in whatever dollar amount you want. It can be every month. That can be your budget. It can be a one-time thing if you know it's going to be a one time you're going to be doing this type of a category for expenses, and then every few weeks. So you can really customize it, you know what I mean, to however you want it to be. Extremely useful tool, and it also tracks your spending history here. So that's a good one to use. Again, mine are probably going to be all zeros because it's just a dummy account that I created. And then as well as your income, you'll put that there. And then your goals, like if you have a budget goal, you give it a name, and then you go from there. When you are looking to get into tracking your finances on a monthly basis, it's going to be extremely important for you to understand what your financial situation is, and Mint.com will help you get there. But overall, please take control of your financial situation. The time is now. That's how we start building wealth. You got to know where you at right now so you can then know where you're headed. So I hope this information was useful. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out any of my new and upcoming videos. All right, peace. Y'all have a good one.